Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the cute ghost dog pet from Roblox Adopt Me. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off on the top left and let's draw the nose with an oval shape. And then let's color it in black. Next, let's hop up and let's draw a curve across to the right. And then at the end, let's add a large circle for the first eye. And then for the other eye, let's hop on top on the left and let's draw a curve up. And then curve it back down. And now let's color both of the eyes in black. And that's it for the eyes and nose. Now let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on top of the left eye and let's draw a curve up and over to the right, stopping here. Now on the left side above the eye, let's add a curve for the first ear. Let's hop back over to the right side. We're going to step in and we're going to draw a long curve down. Then from the top, let's draw a wavy line in, dipping it in the center and curving it back around at the bottom. And that's it for the ears. Now let's finish drawing the bottom of the head. Let's start back over underneath the nose and let's draw a curve down and over. Then let's continue this line over to the right, curving it up back under the ear. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. We'll start underneath the head and let's draw a line down. Now let's hop over to the right side next to the ear and let's draw a curve out and bring it down, flicking it out slightly at the end. Then from the bottom of both lines, let's draw a small curve inwards. Now from the left side, let's draw another curve down, making it a little bit longer. Then curve it over to the right at the bottom. Now let's do the same thing again. Let's start with a line down, and then curve it over to the right. And the same thing one more time. And then add one more curved line. Lastly, on the top right, let's draw a curved V shape up for the tail. And that's it for the ghost dog. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!